All right, we are here at the Icebox in Lincoln. Stampede and Lincoln Stars game number 4. It's do or die, as Dan said, for the Stampede. The Herd lost last night 6-2. We'll see what they can do. Can we come out and get the job done against a Lincoln Stars team that's a little hot right now? The Herd are going to have to try and turn things around here tonight and hopefully extend the season.
His third of the playoffs.
McCreena left dot. McCreena shot saved.
Tip scores! J.J. Montero! Power play goal!
Goes back behind it. Over to Witkowski.
He scores! Roman Witkowski! Power play goal! Stampede win! Stampede win! The Herd have down the Stars! 5-1, and we'll see you Tuesday night, Sioux Falls, for game number 5 at the Premier Center. Yeah!